Accessing the relevant help screens can be vital when using CAMEL Plus or HYENA Plus, particularly for newer users. There are a few different methods of accessing help. I will be showing you these in the CAMEL Plus app, but the same is true for HYENA Plus as well. Firstly, you can click the question mark up in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a table of contents that you can navigate through as required. Click the button here to return to the table of contents. The second method is to click the question mark next to the title of the screen you are on. This will bring up the help specific to that screen. As before, you can click the links to navigate to other areas of the help file. The third method, and what is often the most powerful method of accessing help, is to hold down Alt and left click on any input cell. This will bring up the help specific to the input cell you selected. This is useful because not only will it tell you what inputs are valid, it will often give you further guidance and refer to excerpts from relevant standards. For input fields such as shading parameters, diagrams are provided to explain how each parameter works, as these may not be intuitively discernible from just the field description itself. Lastly, if you really get stuck, or you come across an error that you can't solve, you can always click the support button in the bar at the top of the screen to lodge a support ticket to the ACADS-BSG support team. From here, we'll aim to get back to you within 1 business day. That's all for this video. For more help on platform basics, be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series that are relevant to you. Links are included in the description. Bye for now.